Hi dear grade 4 students. After we have had a short introduction about the title of our history book, Invaders, today we are going to have lesson 1. The title of lesson 1 is The Invasions. Invasions. To understand this lesson, there are some keywords that will help you. The first word is invade. Invade is a verb. To invade means to take a land by force. The noun that is derived from the verb invade is invasion. Another word is Celts. The Celts were the people who lived in France and Britain very long time ago. The Celts were the people who lived in Britain and France long time ago. Britain denotes that big island which contains the three countries of England, Scotland, and Wales. In the second line we have Julius Caesar was a famous army leader. He was a Roman army leader. Another word is Gaul is the old name of France. So the land of Gaul nowadays is called France. General Plautius was an army leader. He was also Roman like Julius Caesar. In the third line of our keywords, Emperor. An emperor is a person who rules more than one country at the same time. A ruler who rules more than one country at the same time. Claudius was a Roman emperor. He was a Roman emperor. The last word in our keywords for this lesson is the word chariot. What is a chariot? What is a chariot? A chariot is a small car that has two wheels and pulled by horses. This is a chariot. A chariot is a small car with two wheels that is pulled by horses. The Celts of Britain heard about Julius Caesar and his army from the Celts of Gaul. The Celts of Britain heard about Julius Caesar and his army from the Celts of Gaul. So in this sentence you can notice that there are two groups of Celts. The Celts of Britain and the Celts of France or Gaul. So the cells of Gaul or France told the cells of Britain about Julius Caesar and his army. How? Because Julius Caesar took over Gaul first. Before taking Britain, he took over Gaul. And there were cells in France. So the cells of France told the cells of Britain that Caesar was coming to take their land. Did he take Gaul or France? Yes. Caesar had taken all of Gaul. Caesar had taken all of Gaul. After he had taken all of Gaul, Caesar wanted to take Britain. After he took over all of Gaul, he wanted to take Britain. Caesar came to Britain. He came to take Britain after he had taken all of Gaul. He came to take Britain. But he was attacked by their chariots. So the cells of Britain used their chariots to attack Caesar and his army. Caesar came with his army to take Britain, but he was attacked by their chariots. The cells of Britain did not let Caesar to take their land. What did they do? They used their chariots to attack Caesar. What happened after that? Caesar returned to Gaul. Then came back next year with bigger army. He went back after the cells of Britain attacked him by their chariots. Caesar returned back to where? To Gaul. Then he prepared his army very well and came back next year with bigger army. This is a map. Look at this map carefully and try to spot the three countries of Italy, France, and Britain. So Caesar started marching from his country, from Italy. Look at Italy now. Then from Italy he moved or marched to where? To France. He took all of France or all of Gaul with its old name. Then after that he wanted to take Britain, which was taken later on. If you look at France in the map here, you can see Britain, which is directly up from France, up to France in this map. Caesar was helped by the cells who did not like their king. Julius Caesar was helped by the cells who did not like their king. So some of the cells of Britain at that time did not like their king. Those who did not like their king helped Caesar. So what happened after that? Caesar won the battle and went back to his country. He went back Rome. Over 90 years means for more than 90 years, Emperor Claudius wanted the silver and gold from the mines of Britain and he also wanted the good farms. For over 90 years, that means for more than 90 years, the Emperor Claudius was trying to do what? Was trying to take Britain. Why did he want to take Britain? Because he wanted three things from Britain. He wanted to take three things from Britain. What were that three things? They were silver, gold, and good farms. Silver, gold, and good farms. To do this, Emperor Claudius asked or told his army leader at that time, General Plautius, to march and take Britain. So what happened after that? General Plautius and Emperor Claudius invaded Britain easily in the year 43 AD and planned that the army would stay. General Plautius was the army leader, while Claudius was the emperor, the ruler of the Roman Empire at that time. What did they do? They invaded Britain very easily, in an easy way, with no difficulty. In which year? In the year 43 AD. What did they do after that? They planned that the army would stay. They said that the army would stay. They let the army to stay. To stay where? To stay in Britain.